Daniel. I want baby come out with this now. Seven Sister Isle. Fire of love. Mighty God is Africa on TikTok. Mighty.
My people, I call that video Obeah Isle in a buckle. Yeah. That me call that video, my viewers and subscribers. I mean, yeah, someone brought that video to my attention. You know, the video shows some form of substance or liquid in a bottle, my people. You see me I say, yeah, the thing inside that bottle is considered to be something that is used to do witchcraft or voodoo and, you know, them kind of things. You see, the thing is though, my people, if Obeah or witchcraft don't exist, as how some persons might say, then how is it that you have people do these things that are considered to be witchcraft, Obeah, and voodoo and all them things, eh? Wanna be careful of the Obeah out there, yeah? Be careful of them island and battle things, them people. You see me I say? Anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall Skilla Day here again. Yeah, so in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I just presented one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see? Yeah, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you. You see? Yeah, alright. So, next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show a man saying some things that are considered to be weird in our way. Yeah, this video is going to show a man saying some weird things in front of persons somewhere within the country of Jamaica, of course. And viewers and subscribers, I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. So, I say, yeah, in my point of view, I'm wondering if this man is mentally ill. So, I say, so tell me what you think about this video. Observe.
You how much? 4,040 next Sabbath coming, sir.
Rasta?
Friday, church, my man, sir. From first creation to second creation to Revelation to World War III coming up next.
So what will start World War III?
No worry about that. Coming up time.
So this is what I talk about, my people. You hear the man say how much and when him born or in date of birth or how you might put it. You hear the things that when you say, my people. Yeah, so I wonder if the man is mentally ill, you know. Yeah, that video is being talked about on social media also, viewers and subscribers. That's what I say. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man with a certain amount of weapons on him. Yeah, the video is going to show a man with weapons all over his person. See? And I wonder why the man had so many weapons on him at the time when the video be recorded. Viewers and subscribers, I don't believe in weapons, you know. I don't believe in violence, you know. No, so I'm not believing in them things, them people. So seeing a video like this where a man have so many weapons on him, I start to wonder all kind of things. You see me I say? Yeah. Yeah, man. If it's up to me, I would think that this man is a security guard for the year or something. You see me I say? But the people, when you take a look at this video and tell me what you think. You can tell me how many weapons you see in this video and so on. Alright? Alright, now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Tell me what you think.
You got 35 weapons. Show me you right now.
35?
What is that?
Yes, somebody said 35 a while ago.
Ooh, samurai. That boy, that is a monster. Let me see what else you got. Who do you think you is? How high? That boy, God damn. Hold on, wait. Let him show his weapons. Boy, it's not bullshit.
Good, man. Good, we got the black RoboCop right here in the flesh. Good, don't play with this nigga. Good.
All right, man. We got to talk about that.
Good, he gonna kill you, gonna stab you. Good, he gonna shoot you. Good, he on the outside. Good, don't play with good.
Man, these can go on a goddamn.
Man, what else you got, man? Man, what else you got? Man, you ain't got no gun in your shoe.
Oh, that with them knuckles.
Brand knuckles.
You been in that county before, I see, boy. Oh, that boy got bulldogs on him.
Oh my God.
Old school. Boy, you ready to fight all the deals we see on the way here right now, man. We seen about 30 deals.
Good, did the real blade? Oh my God.
Boy, that nigga done turned the world.
Good, that nigga done turned to Freddy Krueger in this motherfucker. Good, this nigga ain't playing. Good, this nigga crazy.
There's only 2 of them in the world.
Who is this? Man.
In past 5 weapons
Black
already.
angel, cuz.
You see 5 already?
Cuz you a black angel, cuz. I bet you can't hit a backflip, goddamn. Man, this nigga got an elephant. Oh, that shit right there kill elephants. That nigga got the first gun to kill the hell. That nigga got a check that shit. That boy got the Scopy on there. Man, with the scope, with the Nike, infrared. He killed the dinosaurs, goddamn. Man, this nigga, he killed the dinosaurs. Cuz you don't know, it might be on the floor. Did you pick it up off the floor when I hit the table? I think I did. Yeah.
No, sir, this is a normal time, brother. Why so much weapons? Eh? Why that man had so many weapons on him? Like for real, why? No, sir. Now I wonder what would happen if all police see that man with them weapons there. What would that really happen? Me I wonder if him have license if he walk with so many weapons. Yeah, I'm gonna put the stamp on it. Some people. Yeah, man. Alright, so my people, let me know what you think about that video there. And I read. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a man with swollen lips, and it is said that he had been stung by one or more than one insect that is known as wasp. Yeah, it come like wasp, canikin. So may I say, yeah. Before I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to say to each and every one, be careful of wasp. You see me? If you see a wasp nest, stay far from it. Yeah, because wasp can be very aggressive and them can be dangerous to your health. You see me? I say because wasp attack sometimes by the swarm. You understand? Yeah, and when too much wasp sting you, bad for your health. Believe you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? I say, yeah, you can find these wasp nests around the edging of your roof of your house. You can find wasp nests in trees and all them things. So be careful. You see me? Yeah, if you go pick mango from mango trees, be careful because you can find wasp nests all in that too. You understand? But anyways, my people, so in this video, you can hear harsh language, and this video is going to show a man with swollen lips. Remember that. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hey, cookie. What happened? You're on an interview now. I watch them fuck me up. I mean, I see them, you know, and right now, one killer can disown me. And then I say, if you have one do what I know, people, they will lie you. Take a pop. Rough, man. Why? I know me trouble them. I don't tell you all that. You don't fuck me up, man. We get it. We get it, man. We get it. When I never watch them, say me chat too much hour, but we get it.
Out of all of the place them where wasp could have sting him. Why are they so? Wasp have to sting him, eh? Why? So I say, no, my people, and I real still. I don't know if I'm wrong or if I'm right, but me notice whenever wasp attack someone, it's like wasp always aim towards the face. Me notice that. Me don't know why, but that's what me notice. So I say, well, me am wrong still, but me just tell you what me think. When it comes down to wasp stinging someone, most of the times a face missing persons get stung by wasp. But I just say go. Alright, my people, so I have a video right here I'm going to present to you now. This video is going to show a motor vehicle. Now, viewers and subscribers, the motor vehicle is in a very bad condition according to how the vehicle look to me. You see me, I say, I'm going to take a look at this video. See, now, comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons wondered if the motor vehicle can drive. You see me? Me wonder how that motor vehicle they on the road. At that me wonder. You see me? I wonder if that motor vehicle have fitness and if a license. Yeah. But anyways, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Observe.
One I'm moving up Port Antonio, baby girl, already.
Now, believe it or not, the motor vehicle are driving. Yeah, believe it or not, that motor vehicle drive. Me see another video that shows the motor vehicle driving away from that same spot. You see me, I say? Yes, I am. But me still I wonder if that motor vehicle have license and if it have fitness. And if that motor vehicle have fitness for them on the road, I want to know which driving depot in Jamaica ain't gonna get the fitness for that. Yeah, man. Why may I tell you, Star? When you don't have it, you just don't have it. But you have to think about the safety of people on the road still. Well, anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.